There it is, the BMW F450 GS, as you can see in front of me. That's the bike. I mean, so yeah, someone from the BMW will explain me this about the new engine which we have on this bike. So you get the same keys like before on the one which I used to get on the 310 GS. Is the same key, I hope. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. Let's put this up. That's the screen. I know you can see this. Oh wow, BMW Motorrad. Wow. And this screen shares the same screen as the bigger bikes, as you can see. Let's turn this off for now.
तो ये ऑफ रोड मोड पे है.
ओके,
हम लोग इसको रोड मोड पे रखेंगे, जैसे कि आप रोड पे चला रहे हो अभी.
चलेगा.
तो बेसिकली रोड मोड पे रहेगा.
हाँ.
यहाँ से आप चेंज कर सकते हैं. जैसे अभी ओके पे जाओगे.
हाँ.
नीचे यानी ओके.
हाँ.
ओके पे आपको यहाँ पे मोड भी अलग से, ये स्पोर्ट्स मोड आ जाता है.
ओके. हाँ हाँ. और बहुत सॉफ्ट है.
हाँ,
छोड़ दो. Okay, so once your bike goes to 2700 RPM, you can just ride off. भाई साहब क्या बाइक है. Let's check this horn. Okay, nice. And the amount of people looking onto this bike is crazy. Now when I'm changing the gear ना, मेरे को वही हो रहा है, क्लच दबा कर I'm changing the gear, but you don't have to actually change the gear with the clutch. Actually, you can just do is upshift, down, upshift. So on the sixth, as you can see, right, इसमें कैसा है ना, even if I'm at the sixth gear, right, and I'm at the lowest speed, you can see I'm at the 6th speed and I'm in 6th gear and at 30 km/h. That's completely fine. The bike will not stall at all. Just it will give you a recommendation to lower the gear. So like you can see, abhi I'm on a signal, right, and I'm on a first gear. If I leave the clutch, the bike will not stall at all. It stays. Am I rolling? Yeah. So yeah, there you have it, the BMW F450. तो ये बाइक उसके लिए है जो who likes to go on a Sunday rides, like morning rides पे जाते हैं लोग for a longer ride. तो या Sunday rides में जब तुम जाओगे इसको, ये बाइक को लेकर, तो उसमें कैसा होता है ना, while going on a Sunday ride, morning ride, आते टाइम जो ट्रैफिक मिलता है ना हमको, उसमें थोड़ा बिगर बाइक चलाने में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता है with the gears traffic. तो उसमें ये बाइक ऐसा है ना, this is completely automatic. You can just ride like a scooty on a traffic. It won't give you a pain at all. So once you cross that 2700 RPM na, you can just roll on very smoothly. So let's do मैं higher gear करता हूँ, ठीक है, without touching the clutch. I'm on 3rd gear and 4th gear. अभी करते हैं 5th gear, 6th gear. अभी 6th gear में I'm at 30 का स्पीड. दूसरा बाइक होता था स्टॉल हो जाता था. The only thing this bike does is that it's giving me the recommendation that select a lower gear. तो ऐसे वो recommend करेगा. For the first time, like BMW has introduced this new engine, and yeah, this is a, मतलब इसके सेगमेंट पे यही एक है जिसको ऐसा इंजन मिला है. The only drawback which I said is that इसमें एक हिल होल्ड रहता था ना, like when you are on the uphill, the bike will automatically fall back if you don't use the brake. तो इसमें अगर in future maybe they might introduce that, and I don't know. Yeah, also this bike does comes with heated grips as well too, like the bigger bikes. So let me show you this. So this is the button for the heated grip. So if I press once, so heated grip setting 3, so thoda garam, and then again if I press once, then heated grip level 2, and then heated grip level 3. So 3 modes. So ये कब काम आएगा? When you are on a colder region, right? When you are doing Leh, Manali, ये सब जगह आप अगर राइड कर रहे हो ना, वहाँ पे ये this will be like lifesaver, to be honest. ये heated grip. This is the control. You can just toggle around from here. This is the OK buttons, pass light, I mean ये बाइक लेने के बाद तो you are just, I mean I love this gold finish over here, which you also get this BMW Motorrad over here. This is also compliant with E20 as well. To be honest, देखो as you can see this is right now around 10 बज रहा है अभी सुबह का, एंड ये ट्रैफिक में इफ़ आई राइड माई बाइक राइट, मतलब मेरे को बहुत स्ट्रेस हो जाता है इस टाइम तक कि भाई इतना ट्रैफिक है, गियर्स गियर्स गियर्स. ऑन दिस बाइक no stress at all. The bike which I have right now, right, that is a single cylinder engine and it pulls very good. I mean I have, like the pickup is उसमें बहुत अच्छा है, और ये being a twin cylinder engine, that is this is like you cannot compare this bike. If you are someone who is comparing this bike with Himalayan F450, KTM Duke 390 Adventure, I mean dude, there is no chance at all. Like they don't stand out, to be honest, with these bikes. I mean with this bike, this is completely different machine actually. Look at this, the refinement I can hear from the engine na, that is very refined. I mean wow. See again, now I'm at 30 speed and 5th gear पे हूँ, तो it is recommending me to select a lower gear, so this is good. So yeah, like I was talking कि इस बाइक में 3 segment है actually, base, exclusive and the trophy. So the one which I'm riding, this is the trophy version. The price starts from 4.7 lakhs ex showroom for the base, and for the mid version, that is exclusive, which will be that cost around 4.9 lakhs, and the one which I am riding, this starts at 5.3 lakhs ex showroom. Now all thanks to the new tax slab for the premium bike segment, this bike goes almost 7 lakhs. I can just maneuver on this. Like if I stand over here, wow, the suspension as well feels great. Coming from a 310 GS to 450 GS, I do feel the difference between this bike and that bike. If this bike would have been a single cylinder engine, I would have not feel that much of power, but trust me, once you take a test ride right on this bike, you'll see a huge difference once you ride this bike. See, at the signal I'm at the second speed, not using clutch at all. And I can just easily go with this bike just like that. Crazy pickup बहुत crazy है. You can just wow. Okay, so yeah, इसका गियर का सिस्टम ये है कि that once you cross 2700 RPM, right, the gear engages. उसके नीचे it won't engage the engine. I don't know if I'm saying it right or wrong, but yeah, this is fun. This is way fun on a GS bike. I mean, love that this from BMW. You get the same old mirror. I mean that's the traditional mirror actually. All the BMW bikes have the same kind of mirror, no matter 310cc bike or the 1300cc bike. Am I recording? This is fun. I'm enjoying this ride actually a lot. Make life a ride. I mean, if I have to upgrade, like if I have to upgrade from my current bike, right, I don't see there is any other bike where I can do. If I go with the Himalayans, it's like a downgrade for me to that bike, to be honest. And if you're someone whose budget is very less, right, you can go for a Himalayan 450. That bike also, अगर 3.5 सेगमेंट के अगर रेंज में योर बजट इज़ देयर राइट, यू कैन गो विद हिमालयन 450, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो अ गुड बाइक. बट मतलब इसके जगह पे इफ़ यू हैव टू कंसिडर दैट ना, इसके जगह पे 2 हिमालयन 450 आ जाएगा. या so that's the reason BMW is known for, like when you buy a BMW bike or a car, right, you pay for the premiumness of that, the premiumness of the service, the premiumness of the feel. So that's what you pay for, the service. And please do not check के कितना माइलेज दे रही है, कितना सर्विस कॉस्ट है, वो सब ये सब जब तुम ये से बाइक लेते हो ना, देन वो सब मत देखो. डोंट सी कितना का एवरेज दे रहा है, भाई बहुत कम दे रहा है तो आई विल नॉट गेट. डूड, यू नॉट बाइंग एन एक्टिवा जिसमें तुम्हें माइलेज ओरिएंटेड बाइक चाहिए. दिस बाइक्स आर समथिंग कंफर्ट लेवल पे ये रहता है. एंड मोर यू राइड द मोर यू फॉल इन लव विद दिस बाइक्स. इसमें मत देखो कि कितना एवरेज दे रही है. ऑलमोस्ट व्हाट आई हैव हर्ड दिस बाइक गिव्स अराउंड 25 kmpl to 27 kmpl, which is a good thing to have on our twin cylinder engine. And about the service, तुम्हें आराम से what do you call that, अगर 310 GS में तुम्हारा सर्विस आ रहा है 8 to 10,000 तो 2,000 एक्स्ट्रा कर लो बस. And I have seen there are people who saying that नहीं ट्विन सिलेंडर है, न्यू बाइक है तो इसका सर्विसिंग बहुत होगा, डबल होगा देन द अदर बाइक. Dude, I want to tell you that you guys can check out the servicing for the F900 का सर्विसिंग चेक कर सकते हो. That being the bigger engine than this one, and again twin cylinder, उसका भी मतलब I have seen videos that उसका भी फर्स्ट सर्विसिंग अराउंड 8 to 9,000, सेकेंड सर्विसिंग 10 to 12,000, इतना ही है. तो इसका भी उसमें ही कहीं रहेगा. इवन द बिगर बाइक्स लाइक 1300, उसका भी बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं होता है. इफ़ यू टेक केयर ऑफ योर बाइक, द बाइक विल टेक केयर ऑफ यू. That's how it works. So this will be your best 7 lakhs investment money can buy. So yeah guys, that's all for today. I have done this test ride, love the bike. 6 km/h इसका एवरेज आ रहा है, that is good.